One of the things I do from time to time is restoration projects. And usually what happens is I'll find a machine or a device out somewhere that doesn't cost very much, and I'll bring it home. And I'll disassemble it, put it in a box, and usually goes into storage for some amount of time. In the case of this old hand crank drill press, I probably had this thing for about 15 years, up until a couple of months ago when I decided to bring it in and do something with it. One of the things I had to do was I had to make a new downfeed screw, and here's the old one, and it would fit in there just like that. And you can see the threads are pretty chewed up, but it's a left-handed Acme thread, and that's two things that I hadn't done before. So I had to watch a few videos, mostly A-Bomb 79 videos, and I was able to get enough information to get one made. So you can see how the downfeed mechanism works. That arm rides on a cam, and you can adjust the amount of downfeed with this screw right here, which limits the travel of this arm, so it engages fewer teeth up here and reduces the downfeed. So this is a machinist jack that I made recently, and I made this specifically for supporting the end of a shaft while the other end of the shaft is at the other end of the table in the vise, while I cut a keyway in it. And you can see how it's made. I just put a bore in there, put the threads, and used all thread. I epoxied the all thread in. And I'll show you a clip of the setup I used when I was cutting this V-groove in there, and then I'll show you another clip of actually machining the shaft. So here's another recent acquisition, a blacksmith's leg vise. I picked this up on eBay and disassembled it and cleaned it up and fabricated this stand for it. A while back, I was trying to mill the bottom of this broken bench anvil, but the shape is such that I could only make two contact points in the vise. So instead of just clamping it to the table, I was trying to think of something I could add to this setup to give it a better grip. And what I came up with is these couple of half moons here, just like that. And with these, I was able to fit them in here and get a good enough grip to make the cut. So I started thinking about, other odd shaped parts that these might, help you out on. Something like this, for instance. It would be hard to clamp in by itself, but with the half moons, I could get a really good clamp on it, and you could use these in different configurations. So I'm gonna hold on to these, and probably they'll come in handy at some time in the future. So if you've made it this far, I appreciate it. And until next time, thanks for watching.